This was my first heater I bought. I had to replace the circuit board. It gave out on me. So now I got a spare, plus the one, the one I got in my camper. I got this one. This is 8,000 BTUs. So I got this one, and the one I got in there works. I got this controller, but I don't think that controller works because it's got oil on it, diesel fuel on it. But not sure. I have no way to test it. But this is it. I only ran this one probably about 15 minutes and the controller went off. I got the rest of the stuff all in the box over here. I'll keep it for a spare. Here's a controller for muffler. And I got the fuel tank down there on the ground, but I won't need that if I put it back in my camper. But also have another muffler. Plus the one there, so I got two. I think I got two mufflers, or three. And I don't have one on my camper. Oh, I got three. Here's another one. That's right. I bought this wrong piece of pipe. I got a muffler with it. So I don't think you guys need the muffler in it because it ain't that loud. I can't hardly hear it in the camper. So there you go. These are pretty easy. Every one's a little bit different. You gotta look which ones you buy. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.